In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a cover thumbnail in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, readable thumbnail set to the right size, designed with text and images, and exported as a ready-to-use file. First, let's set up the canvas. Open Figma and create a new frame. On the canvas, select the Frame tool and draw a frame, or choose a preset from the right panel. Now set the dimensions. For a YouTube cover thumbnail, type 1280 by 720. For a square social media post, type 1080 by 1080. Enter the width and height in the design panel so the frame is exactly the size you need. Next, choose a background color or gradient for the frame. With the frame selected, look at the fill section. Pick a solid color, or switch the fill type to gradient and select your gradient stops. Keep contrast in mind so your text will be easy to read. Now add the core elements. Use the text tool by pressing T and click once on the canvas to add your title or main text. Type your headline clearly. Choose a bold, readable font. And adjust the size so it stands out at a glance. In the right panel, increase font size and weight as needed, and adjust line height and letter spacing so the text doesn't feel cramped. High contrast colors help here too. Insert images or illustrations using Place Image by pressing Shift plus Control or Command plus K. Select your image file, then click to place it inside the frame. Or resize by dragging the corners while holding Shift to keep proportions. If needed, move the image behind text by adjusting the layer order in the left layers panel so nothing important is covered. Add shapes, icons, or overlays for extra style. Draw a rectangle or circle to create a color block behind text, or add a subtle overlay to improve contrast between the background and your headline. You can also place icons that support the topic. Keep elements simple and aligned so the design stays readable at smaller sizes. Apply effects like drop shadow or blur for depth. Select the element you want to enhance, open the Effects section in the right panel, and add a drop shadow. Adjust opacity, blur, and offset until the shadow looks soft and natural. For background photos, a slight blur can help your title pop without distracting from the main message. Now, finish and export. Align all elements using auto layout or manual adjustments. You can manually drag items until they snap to the frame edges and to each other, and use the alignment buttons in the toolbar to center or distribute them evenly. If you prefer auto layout for consistent spacing, place related items together so their spacing and alignment stay uniform as you adjust content. Take a quick pass to check spacing around the edges and make sure the focal point and text are balanced. Group elements for easier handling. Select the items that belong together. Then press Ctrl or Command plus G. This keeps your headline and any background shapes or icons locked together as you reposition or scale them. If you need to edit something inside the group, double-click to enter it and make the change safely. Go to the Export section in the Design panel. With the frame selected, scroll down to Export. Click the plus icon to add an export setting. Choose PNG for crisp graphics with transparency if needed, or JPG for a smaller file size. Keep the scale at 1x unless you specifically need a larger output. Finally, click Export. Choose a save location and name your file clearly so you can find it quickly when uploading. At this point, your cover thumbnail in Figma is fully designed, properly aligned, and exported, ready to use on YouTube or social media. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.